Hey everyone, this is Adrian from the Top Collectors Tandem Duo. Unfortunately, my partner Marco is unavailable to be with us today due to us all being in quarantine. Firstly, I'd like to say I hope everyone is staying safe. That being said, I also apologize in advance. I do not have all my equipment exactly here for filming. The shipping companies have taken a little bit of time to deliver my goods. However, I do have an upside to that, and I did get our Hot Wheels Fast and Furious Premium Line Mix 2 for 2020, the G case. So without further ado, let's get to that. So here's our box, freshly delivered this morning from FedEx. I was actually very surprised. I had these imported and I wasn't expecting them to get this soon. I was actually expecting to get our equipment first, but I just couldn't hold off showing you guys this stuff. So let's get our handy unboxing knife. Slice this sucker open. So we got two full sets in here. I'm almost thinking that they've almost released almost every single car from the first Fast and Furious movie. I hope Hot Wheels does, however. So there's two sets in this case, obviously. So this is number 5 of 5, Motor City. This is the 1961 Impala. Very nice. I think this is from the 8th movie, The Fate of the Furious. I'm not entirely sure, but I think this is in the opening scene of the movie. Very nice. I love the card art on this. Nice city, water in the background. Really nice. Really, really nice. Take this guy on the side. Take the first one here. We got a nice 1966 Chevy Nova. I don't actually remember seeing this in the movie. If any of you actually do know which movie this was from, let's leave a comment down below. Let's see which movie this was from. I personally don't remember. There's 8 movies to go through, but I was going to remember every single car that comes from those movies. One of Brian's cars. Actually truck, I would say. Pickup Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. This is from the first Fast and Furious. I think Hot Wheels has almost made a premium version of every single car that was featured in the first Fast and Furious movie. All except, I think, Johnny Tran's Honda S2000, and maybe, I think that might be really it. And if any, Dom's Charger, which I think, if I'm not mistaken, is in the 3rd mix of the Fast and Furious, which I should be receiving soon. So make sure you stay tuned for that one. I really like this one. This got the Racer's Edge. Let's see if I could pull that up for you. Really nice card art. First of 5. Really nice stuff, guys. We got our 1972 Ford Gran Torino Sport. I really like the paint job on this, guys. Nice metallic flake on this. I don't know if you can see that. Really like the rims. A lot of nice details on this car. Card art's okay. Really subtle background in the desert. Seems nice. Really nice. And on to the final one. Let's say one of the most anticipated. This is a new casting, if I'm not mistaken. Let's take this box, let's put it on the side over here. And there it is, 1987 Buick Grand National. And these seem to be almost the same wheels as the Lamborghinis in the RLCs. Really nice casting. This is really nice, guys. Really, really nice. I also think this is from the 4th Fast and Furious movie. I'm not entirely sure. I'm almost certain it's the 4th, from the 4th movie. But if there's anything that I made as a mistake, like I said, guys, don't be afraid, correct me. This is really nice. Let's open every single one. I don't like to rip them. They have a nice little cutout over here. So I try to save the card. I like collecting the cards. It's a little maybe goofy on my part, but something I really like doing. So let's try saving that card. Oh no. Really nice. I think this is maybe only the 2nd time Hot Wheels has made this casting. Maybe the 1st time as a premium. Not entirely sure. Can't remember. Really nice. Let's see if I could zoom in over here. Got the nice little SVT logo. You got the Ford logo. You got the Racer's Edge. Nice little Ford symbol in the front, painted headlights, nice standard rubber wheels. Interior is quite crafty. I'm actually really surprised for the interior. They got really nice seats. I don't know if you can see that in here. Nice little bed. It'd be nice if maybe the hatch opened. Those are also pluses, but that's typically probably something in the RLC category. Let's open up the Gran Torino. I'm going to show you guys some better angles later. But this with some sunlight, guys, it's a little hard to see right now, but the paint job is absolutely stunning on this. Not a fan of the interior, all chrome, but you know, the wheels are really nice on these. Overall, a really nice job. It's the most anticipated puppy of them all. There she is, Grand National. Nice little logos there. Grand National, Grand National. I really like the wheels on this. Surprised they didn't put any threads, but it's alright. It's legally due. Nice solid. It's got a really good weight to it. Really nice. It's going to be really hard to keep this one clean. to the Chevy Nova. This is really close to the Gran Torino in terms of paint job. They did a really good job on this. It's almost like the Corvette or the Chevelle logo. Cadillac. Yeah, you got some Chevy over there. A little Chevy right there. You know, typical painted headlights. Painted taillights. These ones have nice treads. I was thinking maybe they did a slight change to the casting of this, but no, it's still from the 2006, so I don't think they've updated this anytime recently. But nonetheless, still a very nice car. And finally, the Chevy Impala. You know, I always found the card art so nice. And I found that as a pity, you know, you're buying a premium car and you're getting even down to the premium art, to the premium stock, card stock. It's thicker, it's bulkier packaging. And it was a pity to just rip them and throw them. So I said, you know what, let's keep the ones which we really like. Yeah, this is really nice. The interior is very nicely detailed. I don't know if you can see that here. Nice 2 rows of seats. Wheels are the same as the Chevy Nova. For the front, you got a nice Chevrolet badging right here in the front. Painted headlights. Painted taillights. The Chevy. I like that they painted the grills back here. That's actually a really, really neat detail. You even got the speakers in the back. Speakers, vents, I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, really nice, really nice. So that wraps this unboxing. I hope you guys really liked it. Don't forget to comment down below, leave a like, hit the notification button on top, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.